O for orangutan. Hello kids, I'm orangutan. Hi there, I am an orangutan, one of the most amazing primates in the world. I am known for my bright orange fur, long arms, and intelligent behavior. My name comes from the Malay words orang meaning person and hutan meaning forest, so it means person of the forest. Where I live in the rainforests of Indonesia and Malaysia, mostly on the islands of Borneo and Sumatra. These lush rainforests are my home, where I find delicious food and build cozy nests high up in the trees to sleep in at night. Physical characteristics. As one of the largest tree-dwelling animals, I can weigh between 100 to 200 pounds, 45 to 90 kilograms, and grow up to 4 to 5 feet 1.2 to 1.5 meters tall. My long arms can reach over 7 feet 2 meters from fingertip to fingertip, which helps me swing gracefully from tree to tree. Diet. I am a fruit lover. My favorite foods include ripe fruits like bananas, mangoes, and figs. When fruits are scarce, I also munch on leaves, bark, and insects. Behavior. I am very smart. I can use tools like sticks to help me get food, and I have excellent problem-solving skills. Each orangutan has a unique personality, and I can be playful and curious just like you. Social life. While I enjoy my solitude, I am a caring mother. I spend a lot of time with my baby, teaching them important survival skills. A baby orangutan stays with its mother for about 6 to 7 years, learning how to navigate the forest. Conservation. I am in danger because my habitat is being destroyed for palm oil plantations and logging. Many organizations are working hard to protect me and my home. It's important for everyone to help save orangutans and keep our forests safe. Fun fact. Did you know that I can make over 30 different sounds? I communicate with my fellow orangutans through calls, sounds, and body language. Orangutan, hello kids. Orangutan, hello kids. Orangutan, hello kids. I'm known for my bright orange fur. I'm known for my bright orange fur. I'm known for my bright intelligent behavior. Long and intelligent meaning forest, and so many person of the forest. And so it means person of the and put a meaning for us. So it means person of the. Mostly on the islands of Borneo and Sumatra. Mostly on the islands of Borneo and Sumatra. These lush rainforests are my home. These lush rainforests are my home. Trees to sleep in. Physical characteristics and the physical characteristics. Trees physical characteristics. Physical characteristics. 45 to 90 kilograms and grow up to 4 to 5 feet. 45 to 190 kilograms and grow up to 4 to 5 feet. Meters tall. 2 meters to 1.4 meters. Which have been gracefully from tree. Others from fingertip to fingertip. Gracefully from tree to tree. Mangoes and figs when fruits are scarce. 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 Also munch on leaves, bark, and insects. Also munch on leaves, bark, and tools like sticks to help me get food. And I have excellent tools like sticks to help me get skills. And I have excellent problem solving. And I can be playful and curious, just like you. Social life, and I can be playful and curious, just like you. Social life while I enjoy my solitude, teaching them important survival skills. Oh baby, teaching them important survival skills. Teaching them important. A baby or an conservation
for palm oil and my whole. It's important for everyone to help save orangutans. It's important for everyone to help save orangutans. I communicate with my fellow orangutans through calls. I communicate with my fellow orangutans.